Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change channels on YouTube TV. So let's get started. So here we are in tv.youtube.com in our browser, and if you're wondering why we are not in TV, it's because it is easier to do it here in the browser, or you can also change your channels in the mobile app of YouTube TV instead of doing it in the TV yourself. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click here on the top right of our screen. We can see our profile right here. We're gonna click on settings next. Once you're done with that, and then from here, we're just gonna wait for it to load, and then we're gonna click here on live guide. And then right here, if you are a long-time subscriber of YouTube TV, you might see that this is a different UI, but in any case, I'll be showing you on how it's done. So from here, you can see all the channels, and here are your top channels. So these are your must-have channels. So you can now select your favorite channel. So for example, if you want CBS, then you can click here and it will be added to the top channels. And if you don't want this, then you can click here. And as you can see, it's now hidden right here. And now you can click on unhide if you want to see NBC or whatsoever right here. So these are the two purpose of this button. So if you want it to be top channel, click this. If you want to hide it, then you can click this. And now let's just select 6 sample channels. So let's say I'm just gonna start and selecting random channels right there. So now we have these 6 channels. So from here, you can actually just go and rearrange them by dragging them right here. You can just do it just like this one right here, or you can just remove them from your top channels right there. So what these top channels would do is that these are the first channels that would appear when you search for channels or whatsoever. And then as you can see right here, use the up arrow to add items to your top channels, and then you can drag and drop channels into the exact order you want using the handles on the left. So this is how the order that would appear on your TV. And remember that we have a lot of channels right here available. So when you scroll down, you would see a lot of channels. So it would take some time for you to find your channel that you would want for your YouTube TV. So you can just scroll all the way down, and then as you can see, you would see a variety of them right here. And then you can just use the buttons, or you can just drag them to the top, just like this one right here. You can just drag that right there if it is from the bottom. Then yeah, you can just do that, and then you can have your top channels. And that is basically on how you can change your channels here on YouTube TV. Thank you for watching.